Hi guys, my name is Pranesh and I am going to explain about the basic Java programming languages from basic level in onwards. Uh, the main agenda of this video is to the programs which I am explaining today, it will be useful for your placement drives. So instead of going to the higher advanced level programs, I will start with the basic programs, so it will be useful for your placement drives. So for a learner it will be useful for him also. So let's start with the basic programs, and today I am going to explain about the concept called. Let's start with the simple syntax concept. So thereafter I will go on with the advanced level programs from lead code, which will be useful for your placements and exams also. So I will increase my font. Today is declaration and initialization of a variable. So before explaining about the declaration and initialization of a variable, I will explain what is a variable. Variable is nothing but it is a quantity which changes during the execution of a program is called variable. Um, I will write it down. Quantity which changes during the execution of a program. This is called variable. Okay. Now, and I will explain now how to initialization of a variable. To initialization is variable is nothing but it will be assigning a value to a variable is called initialization. Assigning a value to the variable is initialization, and syntax for this is I will write down. Just make a note. Syntax is variable name equal to value. This is the syntax, and I will also write a small description on this. Assigning a value to variable is initialization. For example, I will write down the examples also, so you will get easy understanding on this. Example: int a equal to 10, comma b is equal to 20. This is the correct way of initialization a value. See, here int is the integer, whatever the, if you are declaring an integer value we have to write int, and if you are declaring a string, if we return a word, we will declare it in the string format. So we will assign the name. So we are assigning a name a, and we are initializing the value called a is equal to 10. Okay, this is the correct method. And if I write like this, int 10 is equal to a, comma 20 is equal to b. See, when before I have already told you variable name is you have to write the name. Initialization a is equal to 10. So this is the correct manner. In the starting itself, if we write 10 is equal to a, 10 will be a integer. It is not a value. So it will be the wrong method. This is the wrong method, and this is the correct method. Okay. I will explain another example. If I declare like this, int a is equal to 10 comma 20, this is also wrong approach, so we cannot approach like this. Okay, the correct method is int a is equal to 10 comma b is equal to 20. Okay, and the next one is declaration of a variable. Okay, declaration of a variable, and the syntax for this is syntax data type variable name. Okay, I'll show you the examples. Int a, this is the correct method, and float b, and char a comma b comma c. So these are the few examples for this declaration of a variable. Now let me explain how you write on the taking input from the keyboard, how you assign the values. To assign the values, we will follow some steps. Okay, with this only, if you write an integer, we should declare it as an integer. If you write a name, we should declare it as a string. So to read all those things, I will write the integer how to declare in the keyboard. Okay, reading inputs from keyboard. For example, if I want to write an integer, we have to declare the variable like this: sc.next int. This is for declaring the to read the integer values from keyboard. Okay, this is used to read integers. And the next one is sc.next float. And this is used to read floating values from a keyboard. Can anyone explain what is meant by floating? Floating is nothing but if an assign if a student get a marks in Hindi as a 85 and in English as 96, for out of the total marks how much he will get, that is the floating values. Okay, the total of the above marks is the floating value. Okay, and third one is sc dot next dot char. This one is for to read the character. Okay, and the next one is the if you want to write the words, you will declare like this: sc dot next line. This is for the read the string. String is nothing but if you want my name like a Pranesh, you will declare it as a string. Okay, next one is sc dot next long. This one is for user to write long type elements. Why only we want every time long time? We want some of the short fellows also, no? So for this we have to write SHO or T. Otherwise the short fellow also feels sad. To satisfy you, we will write for his sake use it to read short type elements, okay, so that he will be satisfied. Just kidding. And the seventh one is byte. See dot next byte. Biting means know the type of biting, human bite or snake bite. It is a small letter of the size where we'll calculate in a bytes, okay. Use it to read byte type of the next one is double. Sorry, next use it to read double precision procedure. And the final one is boolean. Boolean is nothing but it is like a true or false statements, okay. So this is how we will initialize the values, and let me explain the programs. I will start the basic programs today itself, so it will be easy for you also. These are the questions I have collected from the lead code. One second, just turn the screen. Yeah. The first question is write a Java program which reads the details of a student, roll number, name, branch, semester, and marks from the keyboard and display on the screen. So is asking just to if Pranesh is a student, I want the details of the Pranesh roll number, Pranesh name, which branch, mechanical, semester, marks, and 85% and from the keyboard. Just displaying that's it. So to declare to write the Java program, I will open the notepad so that it will be easy for you. Yeah. So this is the program I have written. So just this is import java.util. It is standard one. So class I have to write class student details. So student details, whatever the name you are given in the class, we should save this file from student details, okay. And this is the basic method we have to remember, public static and scanner. So I will write the program now. Scanner is nothing but it is the creation of a scanner object, okay. I will write it. Creation of scanner object. Okay. Where keeping this cross marks that it will own it for understanding I have written for you, but while writing a program it will read. So for the sake of to not read this I will written this dash, okay. So let me write the program. int roll number will be integer now, so I am returning this integer. Okay, semester string. First string what will be, I have to declare name branch, so both of them is for names and branch, that's it. Float is for the marks. Okay, total marks. Now I'll write the student details, enter the student details. This system.out.println is nothing but it will the print what are the matter I have written inside the brackets. I will show you the output whenever it is ready. Okay, it will print only enter student details on the output. It won't print system.out.print. Okay, it will print only this one. So after writing this, I will write another one, enter the student roll number for your understanding. Student roll number. Okay, next one is I will declaring a roll number as a declare, so I have to assign the value. To assign the value, I already written the above format, sc dot, sorry, not next int. Once again, enter the student name, enter the student branch, what is the name equal to sc dot next. What is the branch I have to declare? Branch is a word, no, so I have to declare the branch is equal to sc dot next. Okay, now sc dot next line, now enter the student marks. Student marks will be in the float format, no, I have said. So I'll declare the marks in float market format. Sorry, marks is equal to, what is the format? Sc dot next float. Okay, now print all these formats. Okay, after giving input, student details of yeah. Next one is what will come first, name or roll number? Just tell me. Okay, I will write roll number. So roll number is crucial. First declaring the roll number only, they will declare your name, no? Yeah. Whatever the we type, it will print like this. Okay, just copy paste it, so it will be easy for me for next writing. Control C. What next? Enter student name. after declaration we will get name now. So name so, student name. Next, student branch. Student branch. Branch. Student branch. Next, student semester. Semester 4. Second semester. Have I declared the semester? No, I haven't declared that one, but it should display. I will write in the above. Semester in the. Okay, I have declared semester in. So enter the student branch marks. Branch enter the semester. Okay. Branch. So I forgot it. Enter the student semester. Student semester in integer format, no? Yeah. Student semester is equal to sc dot next ind. Fine. Okay. Branch semester. Marks. Marks, yeah. Student marks. Plus marks. Okay. Yes. I'm saving this file format as what is the class? Class is student details. So I have to save this file as student details.java. Okay. I have to save this file as save as student details.java. Okay. I have to save like this. After saving only I have to give the command prompt. Where is that? Yeah, core Java. See, you remember the folder where I have saved it in. So if I open the folder where it has saved, so I have opened this in videos captures core Java. I have saved it as student details. So here I have to open the command drop. Okay, cmd. Yeah, it is open. I am increasing the font. Java C student details dot Java. Branch. See, it will show the errors. It will be good for us. Branch. Details branch. String I have declared. What I have written. Branch. It is correct. No. First, what I have to declare was line. Sorry. So it is showing some of the errors. It is good to know the errors, no? Line. save it. Control S. Wait a second. I found the mistake. I have written it as a BRANH. I had nothing written BRANCH. Okay, so it will save. Control S. Here it is. I'll open it freshly again. So CMD. Java C student Java. Declare again student name. Student details variable might not have been initialized. Why it is not initialized? I will check once again. So I have initialized it. Let me write it once again. Java student details Java student details. Enter the student roll number. Example 331. Enter the student name, student branch PRANESH. Branch mechanical machine design. Enter the student semester 4, fourth semester. Enter the student marks. 89. See, that's it, guys. See the output as print. I'll see the output. According to the question, I have given the output. Okay, it has given the name. One second. Yeah, the output is what are the input I have given. First input I have given the roll number, name, PRANESH, branch, machine designer, semester 4th semester, marks 89. Let me explain in the another program. So another program is write the Java program which reads the marks of a 3 subjects of a student and find the sum and average of the above program. Let me open the fresh notepad for this. I have to type again all those things, so instead of typing all those things I will change the entire format. Okay, it will be easy. Yeah, new program. No? The class name I should change it. Okay, sum and average. Sum and average. Sum and average. Okay. Etc. Okay, I will write it. First of all, I have to initialize the values. Huh? So int m1, m2, m3 and sum also to add those things. And while doing an average, it will come in the float format. No, so initialization the average in float. You can initialization in integer also, but while adding some of the numbers or dividing some of the numbers, we will get sometimes like 4.2, 4.4. So for that sake I am writing this average. Now let us print some the marks of the three subjects of a student. System dot out print, and then enter the marks of a student. Enter the marks of a student. And one is equal to sc dot next int. Let us copy paste it. Okay. And the next one is m2, m3. Let us write it as m2, m3, and the sum will be sum is equal to m1 plus m2 plus m3. Average avg is equal to sum slash 3, both the 3, so I have to give it as 3.0. The format is correct, everything is good. So let us the print all those things. Okay, we will get the output. System I am copy pasting so to save my time. Sum of the three subjects, three subjects, sum plus sum. Next one is average. It will print. Okay, control C, control V. Okay, I am saving this one. Everything is fine. File, save as. Let me save it as the class format. Sum and average. Okay, save as. Sum and average. Dot Java. Small a I have saved it, so I have written it here. Otherwise it will show some error. Close the previous. Yeah, this is the fresh one. So let me open the CMD. Java C man rng dot yeah Java sum and average. What I have written any mistake? Sum, sorry. Java sum. I write in Suma. Sorry for that. Yeah. 78, 87, 92. Sum of the three subjects is 257 and average is 85. Okay. And average. If I give some space, it will print like this. Okay. I have shown you the output. Please share this video to your friends, guys. If any of the lower class people who cannot afford the money for the coaching, it will be helpful for them. And if you get the job, it will be useful for the family members, So please share it, and I will share the remaining programs in the next class, guys. Okay, thank you once again. Bye.